Uptown Swing level 1. Not Elizabeth, but pretty close. So it's 8 count. So we did promenades today, and we did circle. Here's what a promenade looks like. Rock, step, trip, step, walk, walk, trip, step. We did reverse promenades. We did it with pecs, if you like. Whack, whack, boom, hey, hey, very nice. So, then we worked on the Lindy circle. Leaders, here's our practice. We did 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you remember, we want to turn right in place, and then go pivot, pivot. We can stick that landing right there, and then all you have to do is take the right side, and back it up. Well, all the way through, it looks like this. Hey, pivot, pivot, back it up, and you put it on repeat. If you do that, you'll be getting close to it. That's your personal homework, followers. Yours is to keep this footwork in place, and then move around randomly with it. If you never know where you're going to go, get that practice that will be really good for you. Here's what the circle looks like when we put it together. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? If you got a partner, practice that for next week. Thanks, y'all.